Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your bike sound like a dirt bike. Excuse my hair, it's just the morning. So what you need to do to make your bike sound like a dirt bike is you need to put a crushed water bottle in here, in these little things. If you have pegs, then it'll be easier to understand. I don't know if you can see that, but so put a crushed water bottle in here. And then once you put a crushed water bottle, it will make the sound you want it to have. So let's go test it out. And by the way, it's actually the morning, so uh-oh. Oh yeah. So now we're going to try it out. Did you hear that sound? So if that's the sound you want it to be, then hope you enjoyed this video. Like and comment and subscribe. Bye guys.